Finding a tomato variety that provides great results for the grower on farm, whilst also satisfying the needs of consumers, is a tough balancing act. At Seminis, our new open field tomato variety, SV0215TH, is ticking all the boxes across the supply chain. In this 4-part video series, we will hear from representatives across the supply chain about why this tomato variety is a great choice. Not only a great choice to grow, delivering strong margins for growers, but also a top pick for marketers and retailers, and a tasty and appealing tomato for consumers. In this video, we will hear about how 0215 has performed when trialled next to other tomato varieties.
My name's Chris Monsor. My business is Prospect Agriculture. Our business is divided into 2 parts, consulting to local horticultural growers, providing advice on crop protection, irrigation and nutrition. And the other part of our business is we're aligned with the Parecto Group, conducting contract research for agricultural companies. Our work with Seminis in the past couple of years, we've conducted a range of variety trials, and last year we ran the tomato trial which was looking at spacing and pruning techniques for indeterminate tomato varieties, including 0215. And this year we intend conducting a second follow-up trial, just looking to verify the results with that variety. In the trial last year, we had a comparison of the 0215 with other varieties, and it was very clear that it's a very robust variety, a nice strong plant that was very good at avoiding problems from soil pathogens. We also saw a lower incidence of foliar diseases such as bacterial spot and powdery mildew. And it was clear that the robustness and the vigour of the variety saw that the fruit production was strong all the way to the top of the trellis. And what we saw in the trial has very much been borne out in commercial plantings that we've seen since, where it's clear that the variety is very strong and growers are seeing that the fruit production is nice and even all the way to the top of the trellis. We've also seen that 0215 has shown very good tolerance to some of the key insect-transmitted viruses that we face here in Bowen. Tomato yellow leaf curl virus, which is vectored by silverleaf whitefly, and tomato spotted wilt virus vectored by thrips has been shown to be not a problem with this variety in comparison to some of the non-resistant varieties. In recent years, they have been major problems for production in this district.
One of the key findings of Chris's trial was the impact of plant spacing on the size classes of the fruit.
As the plant spacing increased, despite the fact that the total yield declined, we saw a shift in the distribution of the size classes of those fruit. So there was less of the small and small medium size classes, but a greater percentage of medium and large medium tomatoes, and they're the size categories that growers are preferentially, and the market are preferentially looking for.
At a plant spacing of 30 centimetres with 2 litres, 0215 produced a high proportion of small, medium and medium-sized fruit. The trial showed that this spacing could be suitable for growers producing fruit for the pre-pack market. When the plant spacing was increased to 45 centimetres with 2 litres, 0215 produced a higher proportion of medium and large medium fruit. When plant spacing was increased to 60 centimetres with 2 litres, 0215 produced predominantly large medium-sized fruit. Analysis of total yield indicates that plant spacing of 45 centimetres produced the most favourable mix of yield and medium to large fruit, which have traditionally attracted premium pricing in the market. When 0215 was compared with other market standards of Pinnacle and Lava at the optimal spacing of 45 centimetres with 2 litres, 0215 clearly yielded larger fruit, with the majority of fruit falling into the fruit size range of medium to large. Thanks for watching. Tune in to the other videos in this series to hear what nurseries, marketers, retailers and professionals who have trialled the variety have to say about it. To contact the Seminis team, visit our website www.seminis.com.au.